time. Tutorials, tutorials. Look at these nasty, disgusting tires. Look, can't even pump them up. We'll go ahead and replace both. And here's how we do it. It's too easy. Went to Harbor Freight and got these two. These were about $6.99 a piece. It might be a good idea to grease and lube this axle for maximal smooth spinability of the rotational sort. Well, that does it for the dolly wheel repair. And I picked that up. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It's an old Westinghouse. Any suggestions?